So in this video, I'm going to explain how assignment operator works in Python. So let's create a file named assignment operators. So first I declare a variable x and assign it the value of 10. So x equals 10. That's the first assignment operators. Then print initial value of x is 10. Then comma x. So I'm going to print it out. As you can see, the initial value of x is 10. Now let's use x plus equals. It adds a value to a variable and assign the result. Kumbaga, babaguhin natin yung value ng 10. Like, mag-add tayo ng 5 sa kanya. So, print after x plus equal, then equal 5. As you can see, I'm going to print it out and the value of 10 is now 15. Now, the current value of x is now 15. Next, we have x minus equals 3. So, we're going to subtract 3 from the current value of x, which is 15. So 15 minus 3, then the new result will be 12. Next is we're going to use x asterisk equals to 2. Asterisk is for multiplication. Then we're going to print the new value of x. So the current value of x is 12, and then we're going to multiply it, and the result is 24. Now we're going to use division assignment operator. X slash for division equal to 4. So the current value of x is 24, and then we're going to divide it by 4, and the result is 6. And now we're going to use the modulus assignment operator. So x percent sign for modulus, then equals 3, then print the new value of it. So as you can see, the new value is 0.0, which is the result. 6 is divided by evenly in 3, so there's no remainder for it. That's why the result is 0. And last is we're going to use the exponentiation assignment operator. So double asterisk for exponentiation equals to, then print the new result. As you can see, the result for exponentiation is 0 because basically it's just 0 raised to the power of 0 is equals to 0 because it has no value and it cannot multiply itself. So this is the code and the output of the program. So that's how assignment operators works in Python. It allows us to change the value of a current variable. As you can see in my video, I changed the value of 10 using assignment operators. Equal for assigning, plus for adding, minus equal for subtract, then asterisk equal for multiply, then slash sign for dividing, then modulus for finding the remainder. The modulus operator works kind of like division, but instead of giving the quotient or the whole result, it gives the remainder after dividing two numbers. And lastly is the double asterisk equal for raising the power of a number. So that's for this video. Thank you for watching.